paradox. I say, oh, oh, I feel like a circle in a square of blocks. Why am I afraid to pick a scepter or a blade? I can focus on one and so not have it made. Until that day, I'm just a man on a quest.
So,
but mark my words, I'm gonna be the best.
Hey there, it's me, Team's only lady. Throw like a girl and I punch like a baby. So the guys in the party tend to take me for granted. This enchanted maid is a shade disenchanted. I am your equal.
What a crazy
silly
notion.
It's not about size, it's the
Motion of the
my
potion.
I don't ask much, just someone to say,
Hey,
white
quick mage, you
good
could live
job
today.
Maybe
I don't have the strength to wield
an elven sword
or a mithril shield, but my heart is
strong, and my wand is too.
so try and keep in mind that without me you'll be so screwed.
I'm the black mage, but I bet you knew that. Yellow eyes, my disguise. Do you
Like my pointy hat?
I'm a master of the elements,
So,
but all that is irrelevant.
this is me close to the mic.
And I'm invariably the elephant. Not just a pyro, I'm also pretty smart. And the fire in my hands come directly from my heart. The push come to shove, I want friends, I want love, I want a bride to be family, all of the above. And
Testing 1 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2.
And even if you're prejudiced and wanna make a mess of this, you're gonna be incredulous. I'll show you what a legend is.
I'm just a lonely black mage, relegated to the backstage. There's so much I wish you knew, so that maybe you'll see I'm just like you. Maybe I don't have paradox to say, oh, oh. By the way, as far as I was concerned, I always go red mage. Oh, the okay, so what am I doing? It's 12:30. How very professional. So again, the world might fall prey to an ancient evil. Once again, we're hurled into darkness and great upheaval. And let's unite. And I'm standing right next to the mic. It's weird not having the mic on my face. Crystal orbs of the moon, whatever. Come, let's fly. We'll tell? Take us so the wow. Apparently back then they had shit that can do that. I know he said ship, but I like my lyrics better. Get envies that have human features. Running through the thicket. Steal shit from woodland creatures. The villain Seamus Pone, excuse me. All the dark abettors. Funny how our names all consist of the 7 letters. Perspective! That's not perspective, it's sound. This of evil can't outlast a mage a knight, a weird little kid and a ninja master. Key change mofo. The level yes, the mountains and veins and ocean. Don't forget to buy several buttloads of pence and potions. Heed your courageous spirit. Dream a battle cry loud enough that the bitch can hear it. Finally, the hunter of souls shall be the hunted now. They'll flee We save humankind like we always wanted when we were set up. Dancing in our jammies cause we beat Final Fantasy. Oh, that used to be great as a kid when you beat the game. That's probably not a good... I'm deadening you guys by bouncing this mic around. Okay, so this is just me in the background. There's that noise. I honestly think it's just me having the level too high, so that's just the noise, the background noise, essentially.
Was Mega Man? Was Mega Man? The Mega Poo just hit the fan. It's 2000X, and Wily's escaped and built 8 more evil bots. Where's that guy I know with balls like a rhino? Oh, where? If I have this guess, I'll say on the roof. I said, bounce up and see the truth. Perhaps he is there and flaunting his hair. Wow! Mega Man. He's up on the effing roof. He's mega. He's heroic and aloof. How often do you actually hear aloof in a song? The backwood you would say, mega man. 8 more robust masters. Mega Man is stronger, faster. Arm cannon faster. I can't do that fast. Oh, Mega Man. Nintendo got it right. Now Sega. Mega Man. I'm not gonna XLR cable on the ground. Am I gonna run over this? Because I do not want to destroy. Alright, anyways. Mega Man. He's up on the effing roof. He's mega. Let's do this. Leroy Jenkins. Open preference. Why does it always do this? Whatever. Okay. Mega Man. He's up on the effing roof. He's mega man. Heroic and aloof. Alright.